That's the news on energy. But how do you play the stocks? We're going to look at 4 names in today's 3 buys and a bail. And Jeff Kilburg joins us for that. He's KKM Financial's founder and CEO and a CNBC contributor. Jeff, welcome. Let's start
Kelly, how are you?
Good, sir. We'll start with ExxonMobil. Lower slightly since Gen 1 now, but they're down 10% since September. In this slide, Brian and I were just talking about profits missed in late October despite cost cutting. It's got that spending spree, $60 billion on Pioneer, its biggest purchase since Mobile back in 1999. Mobile. I keep saying Mobile. Anyway,
nice town.
Yeah. Jeff, are you a buyer here?
You know, I am a buyer, Kelly, and I think Sully brings up a great point, and that's kind of the broader swath here. When we talk about all these energy names we're going to discuss, we have seen the move lower, and China is the wild card. I know Sully wants to talk about Brazil, maybe go to Brazil, but what we're seeing right now is Exxon has the ability to recover some of the loss. If you go back to 2020, had a very tough year. They had 2 consecutive gangbuster years. So now, as we're seeing the dollar strengthen a little bit, or as we're seeing some uncertainty, all the geopolitical tension, I think there's an opportunity in Exxon. It's the essential name. It's the biggest market cap, nearly $500 billion. So this is a stock I want to own. This is a stock I have owned.
You'd be a buyer of Exxon. You'd also be a buyer of Occidental, which is lower today after they got a downgrade, which actually talked about how they might be slightly behind peers. Wolf Research saying their return on capital is decelerating faster than the competition. They did beat on earnings earlier this week. They're buying back $300 million of shares from Warren Buffett and Berkshire, which still has that 22% stake. You got to stick with the Oracle, right?
You do. You can't fade Warren Buffett. That's not a smart adventure. But nonetheless, this is a higher beta name. So if you look at 2020, when you saw energy stocks having a hard time with COVID, this was further extended to the downside. However, when you saw it bounce back, like in 2022, it didn't quite have a NVIDIA year like of 2023, but it was up over 100%. So this is a higher beta stock, but if you believe and have some conviction that we've seen crude oil prices go down too far, we've seen demand be not properly measured out of China. I'm a little more optimistic, I think, than some of the folks, specifically Kyle Bass, with demand coming out of China. You want to own a name like Oxy because you will see a higher beta rebound in a name like this. And if you look at the 50-day moving average, it's just at $64. If it recovers there, Kelly, then it has some room to run.
All right, watching 64, it's just under 61 at the moment. And we'll move on to Halliburton, the services name, which is also a buy for you. It's also lower on the year. It beat on earnings, slight revenue miss in Q3. Stifel thinks North America outlook still looks positive, even in a broader commodities downturn. Why do you like this name?
Well, look, at a forward PE of 12, I think it's a value opportunity. But I think you think about Halliburton, again, it's going to be high tide lifts all boats here in the energy space. But I think energy is just such a, if it's a trader's delight, but at the same time, investors have to have exposure. But you have to be tactical with your exposure because we have seen a lot of moments in time, if it's either geopolitical tension, strength of the dollar, U.S. policy, even the Federal Reserve has their hand and footprint on energy. But this is a name, again, that has a very strong balance sheet. So I want to own Halliburton moving forward as well.
All right, 12 times forward earnings. That brings us to your bail. This is almost a cheat because it's not a fossil fuel name. It's SolarEdge. You could have done Plug Power up here. I mean, let me stick with SolarEdge. Down 75% this year, as people can see on the chart. 27% single-day drop in October, worst day ever. Earnings miss. Wells Fargo says there's no recovery in sight, even though management says marketing efforts and moderating interest rates can be a tailwind. So, you know, I don't know, maybe some people are tempted to buy for the long run here, but not you.
Not yet. I agree. But look at 2023. It's just been horrific, horrendous for solar stocks. So this chart, it's an ugly looking chart. And as you know, a lot of broken down ships are at the bottom of the sea with charts like this. And if you see it down 75%, I need some type of catalyst to see it move around. But to defend SolarEdge, to your point, Kelly, if you look at the balance sheet, about $3.3 billion in assets, that's kind of equal to where it's trading. So it's trading, obviously, oversold conditions, but I can't be a buyer here until I really see solar turn around. Now, remember, going back to 2020, this was a fave. This was the NVIDIA stock of 2020. It was up 235%. So I think you have to understand this is not something from a long-term investment, but it is an opportunity to trade. I just don't want to trade it yet because it still seems like it wants to go lower.
Don't blame you. Jeff, thank you very much. We appreciate your time today. Jeff Kilburg.
See you, Kelly.